still need to pay for parking. Crap. What's up, YouTube? Today's quite a breezy day, and I've decided to go up to Avon Dam. And there are two tours around here, Shipley Tour and Black Tour, I think. But I don't quite know how to get there yet, so I need to figure that one out. I've tried having a look on my phone, but you don't get any signal down here, so it's a bit of a bummer. I'm going to wait until I get a bit further up, where hopefully I'll have a bit of signal, and I can then actually pay for the parking, because it's cash or the app. And who carries cash around with them these days? So, yeah. Hopefully I don't get stung with a ticket, but I'll just argue that no signal, and once I get signal, I'll pay the £2.20, whatever it is. Yeah, so lovely little riverside walk. Quite noisy, but very nice to look at. So let's get to it, shall we? So according to my OS map, I've actually gone past Shipley Tor, but it's on that side of the river, and there's no way of getting across there. And further down, it's private land, so I'm not entirely certain how to get there, and still no phone signal. So that might be one that I tackle on the way back, maybe. I'm not sure. But Black Tor is on this side, just a bit further along. So hopefully we'll get that one done. There's a big tree there. It's creaking in the wind. That's yeah, that's not very reassuring. Oh well. Here's what it is. It's nature. We've just had a storm Dara, so we're on the back end of it now. So it's not quite the 80-mile-an-hour winds that we had over the weekend, but it is still quite windy. I think it's around 30, 40 miles an hour today. Obviously, I've got a bit of shelter in amongst the trees in the sort of valley. But I reckon it might be a bit windy when I get to the top of the dam. What's going on with my hair? Oh. This used to be something. I say something, I don't actually know what, but I'm sure it was a house of some sort. I might be wrong. I honestly can't remember. I came up here a couple of months ago with Layla and had a little information book about this place, but I seem to have forgotten it all. But I do remember there being bricks embedded into this tree, which I thought was quite weird. Yeah. Maybe it was like part of the building or something. I honestly can't remember. I think it might say what this was at the start of the trail. If I remember, I'll go back and check that out. But yeah. So we are on open moor near enough now. Yeah, behind me, I think that's black tor just up there. I think if I went along that side of the bridge, I could probably pop up there somewhere. I might have a look at that on the way back. But yeah, nonetheless, open moor. The wind's died down a little bit, which is quite nice. So yeah, it's quite quiet out here, quite remote. It's quite nice out here. Yeah, I definitely need to get up there. I think I'll be able to do it. Just be quite a short, steep climb, which isn't an issue, but I really do want to find out how I get to Shipley Tor. But yeah, still no internet, no signal, nothing. I'll probably get some up when I get up to the dam, to be fair. I think I did last time. Who knows? Right, we're probably about 15 minutes away from getting to the dam, so not long to go, not long to go at all. Some strong gusts of wind now, so that's great. I'm gonna have to put my hood up, I think, because my little ears are getting too cold. There we go. Right, we're nearly at the dam now. The wind's died down, so I'm actually going to undo my hood somehow, one-handed. I've tied it quite well. Oh, that's better. So much better. Right, anyway, there's two routes you can go. Oh, look at my hair. Oh. As you can see behind me, there's a fork in the road. You can go up to where those people are going, and that will take you up to the top of the dam where the reservoir is, or you can follow the road, that one there, that one, and that one will take you to the bottom of the dam on the left hand side. So I think you cross that river or stream again, but today we're going up that way because why not? Simple. When I came up here a couple months ago with Layla, it was a really, really nice sunny day. There were no clouds, there's no wind. It was just, oh, beautiful. But today it's very cold, it's quite dull, and it's very windy. So not ideal conditions, but it's not the worst. So the reason I didn't make a video last time was because I was going to do a ASMR video. I thought that'd be nice, you know, just the water running and the trees rustling and whatnot. But it was very busy and no one would shut the fuck up. So instead I've done a ASMR video down my local woods and said I'll come back up here again and do a video. So yeah, that's the reason for today pretty much. Quite nice. quite nice. Very quiet today. I've only met a couple people, probably about 5 or 6. I did say good morning to some old ladies earlier on, and they gave me just a filthy look, so I was like, all right then, whatever, miserable. So since it's so quiet around here, I've got a question. Do you prefer hiking solo, in a group, or with another person? Let me know in the comments. So here we are, pretty much at the top. Just down there is is it a pump house? Is that what they're called? I think so. Yeah. And you just get a sense of how vast and kind of in the middle of nowhere this place is, because it's quite an easy route up, but it does just lead you to the middle of nowhere. And there's not much else going on around here. You've got those 2 tours down there, which I don't have a clue on how to get to, bearing in mind, and a dam. But nonetheless, it is a nice walk. I think it is quite a popular walk with dog walkers as well, so if you've got a 4-legged friend, I'm sure they'll love to come up here. Right, let's check, see if we've got any internet. Oh, fuck's sake. Nope. No internet. I did have internet briefly down there, but only enough to get onto Google, type in Shipley Tour. After that, it was just loading. And to get a text through from Alex. It is what it is. It is nice out here. Very peaceful, tranquil. Yeah. Right, I'm going to keep trying, see if I can find any info on Shipley Tour. If not, I think I'll have to just do that another day after I've planned a bit more. What was I going to do? I was going to do the Belvedere Trig Point today, but I thought the past couple of videos have just been trig points, and I thought, you know, why not break it up a bit, come up here. I also wanted to do the what were they called, 3 tours near Haytor, the top one up being Honeybag, Chinkwell and Bell Tour, I think. I can't remember, but I've been wanting to do those for quite some time, but I want to do it on a nice day where it's not so windy. So, like I said, there's not really much going on around here. There's no really defining features around. It's just rolling hills. That one there is Pauper's Hill, I think that's the one, and behind it is Riders Hill, which we've been up before. Other than that, I don't really know where anything else is. Right in the back, over there somewhere, might be able to see it. There's like a really big mound, and I'm not entirely sure what that is. I think it might be the red China clay wax place, I think, but I might be wrong. I'll tell you what, let's flip it round, see if we can zoom in on it, shall we? Just there in the back, It's like a pyramid. Not entirely sure what it is though. If anyone does know, please let me know in the comments, because I was asking myself that question last time I was up here. Anyway, see if we've got any phone signal. I've got 4G, but no signal. Oh, sake. I still need to pay for parking. Crap. So I think it's time to head back down to the car now, just to make sure I haven't got a parking ticket. A great way to spend the day, if I do. Let's call it what it is, and that's the end of the video. I think I'm going to do Black Tour, if it is called Black Tour, I can't remember, and Shipley Tour another day, when I'm able to plan properly. I wish I planned. I always wish I planned. I never do. I never do. But I do these mistakes, so you don't have to. So yeah, I'll come back another day and do those two. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, and if you have, please consider subscribing to the channel for more hiking, wild camping and gear reviews. Hopefully I'll see you all next time. See you later.